I tested 5 AI side hustles in 24 hours. And one of them actually paid me real money in less than a day. I spent the last 24 hours testing 5 different AI side hustles to see which one can actually make money fast. With zero experience, no audience, and no startup budget. Some of them were completely useless. But one of them actually surprised me and made real money in less than a day. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I tried, what failed, and which AI side hustle actually paid me. Let's get into it. 1. AI faceless YouTube automation. First, I tried creating a faceless YouTube video using AI tools. I used AI to generate a script, AI voiceover, and stock footage editing. The idea is simple: pick a viral topic, let AI write everything, upload, and wait for views. It took me about 1 to 2 hours to create the video. Result after 24 hours: no money, no views, just a few impressions. The problem is YouTube doesn't pay instantly. This one is long term, not fast cash. So I moved on. 2. AI freelance writing. Using ChatGPT. Next, I tried offering freelance writing services using AI. Basically, I used ChatGPT to write blog posts, captions, and product descriptions. Then I looked for quick gigs on platforms like Fiverr-style marketplaces. This one was actually easier than expected. I was able to create samples in minutes. Result after 24 hours: no official payment yet, but I got 2 replies from potential clients. So this one is promising. But not instant money. 3. AI logo design business. This one surprised me. I used an AI logo generator to create business logos in under 5 minutes. Then I listed them as cheap logo designs online. The idea is, people always need logos for new businesses. Result after 24 hours, I didn't make a sale yet. But I got interest messages asking for pricing. So this is a slow starter but can scale if you keep posting designs. 4. AI digital product creation. This was one of the fastest setups. I used AI to create a simple digital product, like an ebook guide. It took less than 1 hour to generate content and format it. Then I tried listing it online. Result after 24 hours, no sales yet, but I realized something important: digital products don't sell instantly unless you have traffic. So again, not fast money, but very scalable. 5. AI short-form content editing. The winner. Now this is where things got interesting. I used AI tools to create viral short videos, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Then I offered editing services to small creators and pages. This one was the fastest to set up and easiest to pitch. Because everyone wants viral content right now. Result after 24 hours, I actually got my first paid order. Not a huge amount, but real money within a day. This was the only AI side hustle that worked immediately. Final verdict: what actually paid? After testing all 5 AI side hustles in 24 hours, YouTube automation equals slow freelancing equals potential but not instant logo design equals interest only digital products equals long-term game short form content editing equals fastest money. So if you're a beginner trying to make money with AI, don't chase complicated systems. Start with something simple like AI content creation or short form editing. Because in 2026, attention is money. And AI just makes it faster to create. If you want, I'll break down exactly how to start the one that made money in the next video step by step. And if you want that, comment AI so I know. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more AI money ideas and side hustle experiments. See you in the next one.